Unlock the power of your Shopify store's data and supercharge your Facebook ads, all by mastering the Facebook Pixel integration. First things first, log into your Shopify admin on the left-hand sidebar, scroll down and click on Sales Channels. From your available sales channels, locate and click on Facebook if you haven't connected it already. You'll want to click the Add Channel or Connect button. This will prompt you to connect your Facebook Business Manager account. Make sure you're logged into the correct Facebook account with access to your Business Manager. Once your Facebook account is linked, you'll see a section for setting up your Facebook presence. Look for an option specifically related to the Facebook Pixel or data sharing settings. Click on the option to set up or configure your Pixel. Shopify makes this incredibly straightforward, often pre-selecting or offering to create a new Pixel for you. Shopify will guide you through the process, which might involve confirming your business details. Once completed, you'll see a confirmation that your Facebook Pixel is successfully installed and connected to your Shopify store. Now, head over to your Facebook Ads Manager and navigate to your Events Manager. You should start seeing data flowing in from your Shopify store as visitors browse and take actions. This connection allows you to track vital customer actions like page views, add to carts, and purchases, giving you invaluable insights to optimize your ad targeting, retargeting, and overall campaign performance. You've now successfully installed the Facebook Pixel on your Shopify store.